Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Questrade account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.questrade.com/home and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, as you can see, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. To create an account, click on this open an account button over here and follow the instructions. To log into your Questrade account, click on this login button over here. After that, write in your user ID and your password into the login area. If you forget your user ID, click on this Forget User ID button over here and follow the instructions. If you forget your password, click on this Forget Password link over here and follow the instructions again. If you don't have an account yet, click on this Join Now button in the top of the web page and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your details, click on this Login button over here, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.